In this video, I will show you how to check post insights on Instagram. Now, the first thing you have to do is tap on the profile icon right here and then navigate to one of your posts. Now, as you know it, you will be able to see the likes and the comments of your post, but you won't be able to see the analytics or the insights. Now, in order to do that, you need to switch to a professional account. To switch to a professional account, you have to tap on these three lines on the upper corner and then scroll down until you see the account type and tools. And then you just have to press on it and then switch to professional account. Now, it doesn't really matter how you fill this up as long as you set up your professional account. Now, you just have to choose whether you want to be a creator or business, and I choose creator. And now it's set up. Now you just have to tap on the post you have and then tap on the view insights. You will be able to see now the overview, reach, impressions, engagements, post interactions. So that's it.